Welcome to Counseling 110 Career Life Planning. My name is Diane Solomon, and I'm going to be your instructor for the next 8 weeks. I want to take a few minutes to show you how to navigate this course. When you click on the dashboard and you find Career Life Planning course and you click on it, it's going to take you to this home page. This is the landing page. Each week, this page will change. It will contain information pertaining to that week. So for the first week, as you scroll down, you'll get a little information about the course. There is a button that says Start Here. This is where you're going to want to click on to launch to the modules and to complete the orientation module. If you've already completed the orientation module and you've returned to the class shell, click on week 1 to start accessing all the lecture material and the activities for the week. Okay, you will also see a picture of me and some links to some important information from the counseling homepage, Canvas support, and student resources. Okay, let's go on to the second button. The second button is the announcement button. It's a good idea to set your preferences up to get the notifications pushed to your email or to your phone. I will be pushing out announcements and reminders of upcoming due dates and assignments for each week. If you click on the syllabus button, it will take you to the page that will have a link to the PDF of the syllabus. It's a good idea to click on it, open it up, read it, and even print it. You can also see a course summary. The course summary is a list of all the assignments that you will be expected to do over the next 8 weeks with the due dates. It's a good idea to kind of look at this so you'll kind of see which weeks has multiple assignments that are due on the same day. There's also a link to the campus resources, and the next one is the modules. The module is an extremely important link to get familiar with. It's going to contain all the information that you're going to need for this course. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to different tabs. The first one is the OER textbook. This is the textbook for this class. You can click on this and get the whole textbook in a PDF. You can also click on this and read the chapters each week as they come. You can print it, you can upload it to your phone and read it off your phone or a tablet. It is free. The first module is the orientation module. It is important that you go in order and you start with Welcome to Counseling 110 page. You read the information, watch the video, read, and then when you go down the bottom of the page, click on Next. This will take you to the next page. And you're going to want to do this for every page in the modules. All of the discussion boards, quizzes, assignments are all embedded in the modules. There is no button off to the side where you can click to get directly to any of the assignments. If you try to click on the assignment from the syllabus page or for the grade book, you will see a note that will say that the assignment is unlocked. It will be locked. You have to access it through the modules. Here is the first assignment, which is the discussion board, meet and greet. The initial post is due Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Replies are due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. In the discussion board, you will read what the learning goal is. You will get detailed instructions on how to complete the discussion board. You will have a link on technology. If you are not familiar with how to reply to a discussion board, you can click on this link and view a tutorial. You can also click on this link and it will take you to TLC to get assistance with some of your writing skills. Down at the bottom, this is going to show you where you can access the grading rubric for the assignment. If you go all the way up to the top, you see these 3 buttons. You hold your mouse over that, click on Show Rubric. This is going to show you how I am going to grade all the assignments. The discussion board has 3 different criteria: the initial post, the replies, and timeliness. And each rating is broken down between 0 points and 10 points. It's a good idea to read the descriptions of the different criteria so that you can get the maximum points that you would like for each of the different assignments. When you are ready to post, you'll scroll down to the bottom, click on the button that says Reply. A box will open up. Start typing in the box and then click on Post Reply. You will not be able to see any of the posts until you post first. Okay, then the next button is the grades. We want to click on this, and this is going to take you to your grade book. All the assignments are listed. They're listed by the due dates. You will see your score, and if I put a comment, you will see a little box over here with a comment. Please click on that comment and read what the feedback I have given you. At times, if you had uploaded an assignment that has that I'm not able to open, it's a blank document, I will give you feedback to resubmit your work for a better grade. If you have additional questions, please click on the inbox off to the side and send me an email. I'll be glad to help you and answer questions you have about this course. So, welcome, have fun, and I'll see you in class.